I am grounded, my feet like roots of a tall tree anchored deeply into the earth. Here I am replenished by love from Mother Earth. I am strengthened, I am strong. I feel calm and at ease in my heart and in my world. Life blesses me with stillness. Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Titila with Aroma Institute, and today we're working on our third blend in our series of using essential oils for emotions. Okay, in this blend, we're going to go ahead and make another Rollerball blend using our 10 ml bottle, and you can find these on Amazon. I'll share a link below. And this one, we're going to be using Frankincense Essential Oil, Patchouli Essential Oil, Vetiver, and I wanted to add in some wild orange. Now, this particular blend had just base notes, and that's all good because those are all grounding. They're very sedative, very relaxing, and they really are connecting you to that earth because these all come from, this is a tree, patchouli, and vetiver or roots. So we know, and patchouli actually comes from leaf. So we do have all the elements of the earth in this one, but I wanted to just spice it up, maybe brighten it a little bit with the wild orange. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with our frankincense. I'm going to use 1 drop. Oops, I think I just added 2. It's okay, we're going to go about 10 to 12 drops on this blend. And patchouli, which is a really great oil, and it's very deep and rich in its scent. Love that one. And vetiver, again 1 drop. I think I got about 2 on the other one. So if you want to add 2 drops of the frankincense, 1 drop vetiver and 1 drop of your patchouli, that's a good balance. And then I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 drops of the orange. Okay, let's check that and see if we like it. I know some people do blend directly in the bottle, but the problem is you're sort of locked in and stuck with it if you don't like it. This is really nice, and it's going to really smell great once we add the carrier oil. Now you could just use this directly as a diffuser blend and not add the oil. You could, just put it into that diffuser. I'm going to just go ahead and fill up my bottle with the carrier oil. Let's shake it up and check it. Now, that's nice. It's very mellow, very nice. And I know with patchouli, it's like a wine. It gets better with age. So the more you let it set, the better it's going to get. This one, you can just go ahead and run it over your neck, behind your ears, and you can put it on your pulse points on your wrist as well. Ah, that's so nice. Let's not forget to add our label because we want to remember what we made. Isn't that pretty? I am grounded.